Hello guys, welcome to the Tongli YouTube channel. My name is Richard. So today we're inside of power granulation production line. So this difference between power granulation and steam drum granulation. The power granulation line is able to make high nitrogen content fertilizer, whereas the granulation line, steam drum granulation line, is able to make more kinds of different components of nitrogen fertilizer. But the reason why there are so many power granulation lines in China is because the power granulation, the granules they form, the quality is so the surface finish is better than that of the granular fertilizer. But it's only in China because power granulation line can only make high nitrogen content upon fertilizers. And then as for, we have a very tall 1.8 meters power granulation line. So we have three bucket elevators that lift up all the materials, the urus, the potassium chloride, and then the MAP onto the top of the tower. And then the urine will enter the melting tank, and then mix with the powder. And then after that, it will pass through a spring pad that it will form droplets. And then as the droplet descends on the tower, then it will just quickly crystallize. And then it forms a small granule of fertilizer.